Hello guys, myself I am Pavanar. Today's subject is Biology for Engineers, Department of CSC. The topic is the human heart. The heart is a first size organ that pumps blood throughout your body. It's the primary organs of your circulatory systems. Your heart contains four main section chambers made for muscles and powered by electrical. The human heart is vital organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It's a complex organ that has a lot of functions, anatomic and diseases to explore. Location not on the left side, but it is felt so. The heart is right in the center between the two lungs and above the diaphragm. The narrow end of the roughly triangular heart is pointed to the left side, and during working the contractions of the heart is most powerful at this end, giving to feeling that the heart on the left side. It is protected by a double-walled membranous covering called periocardium. It contains lubricating periocardial fluid with the reduce friction during heartbeat and protects it from the mechanical injuries. Functions of heart: transportation: the transports oxygen and nutrition to the body while removing waste and carbon dioxide. Regulation: regulates blood pressure by adjusting carbon output and blood volume. Protecting: hormone productions: produce hormones that regular blood volume, volume, blood cells, protections and blood pressure. pressure. Anatomy of the heart. Chambers: the heart has four chambers, two atrial and two ventricles. Vessels: arterioles carry blood away from the heart, while ventricles returns blood into the heart. Valves prevent body blood from flowing backward into the heart. Coronary arteries supply to the heart muscles to the blood. Chambers of the heart. The heart consists of four chambers: two upper atrium, and the two lower ventricles. The atria, also called as auricles, have thinner walls because their major function it is receive blood from the body and jump it into the very nice ventricles. The ventricles have thick muscles walls because they have to pump blood to long distance. The first ventricle jump blood only up to a lungs for oxygenation, but the left ventricle pumps it up to the furthest points in the body, such as up to the toes, into the feet, or up to the brain against gravity, and so it falls into tricky. Circulations of blood. It is the heart. In the heart, it starts with the contractions of the two. If you have either occurs, the ventricles at this time are stethoscopes, relaxations are dilating, and the empty ULB of therefore the blood from the atria passed into the gap of ventricles easily. Next, the ventricles contract and the atria relax. The blood for the ventricles under processor trends of return to the atria, but the fluids of the two qubits means pointers protections values of the tide tendon of the perfume up this closing the passenger passing preventing the return of blood when the ventricles dilated the blood for the pulmonary artery and the aortic tends of returns the blood fills it pockets of the values of closer than passage. What is double circulation? Blood flows twice in the heart before it completes one full round. The short pulmonary lungs circulations and second one the long systematic general body circulation. The pulmonary circulations preventing into the lungs it starts into the pulmonary attracts arise for the right ventricle which soon divided into two branches that enter to the respective lungs. Pulmonary veins collect the oxygenated blood from the lungs and carry it back to fill the aqueducts of blood heart. The systematic circulations preventing of major circulations into the body. It starts with the atheron that arises from the left ventricle. The aorta arches back and contains behind has aorta. The aorta sends the articles to the various body parts and their tissues. From there is blood to collected by veins and the products of back into the heart. Heart diseases. Coronary artery diseases, the common type of heart disease is caused by a buildup of plaque in the coronary arteries. Heart failure, heart valve diseases, the conditions where on one or more of the heart valve does not do not work properly. Sign and symptoms of the heart diseases: chest pain, pressure, tightness or pain in the chest, arms, neck, jaw or back, shortest of breath, fatigue and dizziness, feeling tired to weak, describes and getting the enough sleep to rest. Preventive measures for heart diseases: regular checkup, avoiding harmful practice, avoiding smoking, excusing alcohol complications and elitist drugs use, manage your still value, taking meditations are pursues your the heart care provides a managed risk factors such as its high blood pressure, high cholesterol and depressions. Management of health lifestyle. Thank you.